A microprocessor is A. Controlled by a program. B. An integrated circuit. C. Relatively inexpensive. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. An up-down counter used in a TI-510 PC has 3 inputs. Which of the following is not one of them? A. Count up. B. Count out. C. Reset. D. Count down. The correct answer is count out. If a sine wave has a frequency of 500 Hz, the period in seconds of the sine wave is A. 5000. B. 0.003. C. 0.02. D. 0.002. The correct answer is 0.002. Standard computer control products. A. Are available off the shelf. B. Are very expensive and not cost effective. C. Do not exist yet. D. All of the above. The correct answer is are available off the shelf. Skipping every other line and picking up the skipped lines on the second pass is called A. Interlacing. B. Refresh vector. C. Raster scan. D. Stroke writing. The correct answer is interlacing. Ergonomics refers to A. The human aspect of the environment around the workstation as well as the workstation itself. B. The cost relationship of the workstation versus productivity. C. The level of involvement the operator has with the workstation. D. The technology involved in the workstation itself. The correct answer is the human aspect of the environment around the workstation as well as the workstation itself. Artificial intelligence operates on the principle of using a base as opposed to a database. A. Character. B. Knowledge. C. Prolog. D. Lisp. The correct answer is knowledge. A smart solid-state sensor is A. One that integrates both logic and a solid-state sensor into one unit. B. One that has 2 or 3 substrates. C. Not available today. D. All of the above. The correct answer is one that integrates both logic and a solid-state sensor into one unit. D. A digital to analog conversion. A results in a binary code as the final output. B has to be sampled at 1 to the highest input frequency. C must be fed through a filter to reproduce the original signal accurately. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is must be fed through a filter to reproduce the original signal accurately. Most data transmission in the future will be A. Digital bit stream encoded data. B. Analog in nature. C. Carried over metallic telephone lines. D. All of the above. The correct answer is digital bit stream encoded data. The integrated circuit. A. Often is called a chip. B. Led to the development of the transistor. C. Has revolutionized electronics. D. B and C. The correct answer is B and C. What is offset error? A. The difference between the sensor input and the absolute sensed parameter. B. The difference between the controller output and the setting of the manipulated variable. C. The difference between the control setpoint value and the actual value. D. All of the above. The correct answer is the difference between the control setpoint value and the actual value. Which of the following may be classified as an automation system? A. Automated warehouse. B. Numerically controlled machine tools. C. Robotics. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The accuracy of a pick-and-place robot can be as good as A. 0.0005 inches. B. 0.05 inches. C. 0.008 inches. D. 3. The correct answer is 0.0005 inches. The difference between CAD and CAM is that CAD software is directed at product design while CAM software is A. concerned with production and control of tool design. B. concerned with management programs. C. design for communications. D. specifically for PC board design. The correct answer is concerned with production and control of tool design. Localizing an object in an image and selectively analyzing the object in a series of redundant layers is referred to as the A. Turing test, B. pyramid, C. Gaussian pyramid, D. Maxwell pyramid. The correct answer is Gaussian pyramid. In the operation of a programmable controller, A. all of the logic status is maintained in memory. B. any latched data must be done using an external latching relay. C. mathematics cannot be performed. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the logic status is maintained in memory. The concept of a general CAD system was that it should provide A. system for handling user actions. B. a system for the operation of applications programming. C. a set of basic system functions and utilities. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The insect-type robot Attila is a more competent version of the robot Genghis and weighs 1.7 kilograms. What is the number of microprocessors carried by its body? A. 15. B. 10. C. 33. D. 15. The correct answer is 10. The walkthrough method of programming a robot involves A. walking through your suggested procedure with your supervisor prior to programming. B. physically moving the robot through all the motions it is to repeat. C. moving the robot from one location to another. D. all of the above. The correct answer is physically moving the robot through all the motions it is to repeat. Which of the following is often used as an alternative to the light pen or in association with storage tube displays? A. digitizer. B. trackball. C. mouse. D. tablet. The correct answer is tablet. The general CAD system was developed by considering a wide range of possible uses of such a system. A. mechanical engineering design. B. animation and graphic design. C. structural engineering design and electronic circuit design. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Relay ladder logic is used in a PC because A. it is impossible to write a control program for a machine in any other logic. B. it is the best industrial control language ever developed. C. most industrial control personnel are familiar with relay ladder logic diagrams and this is the easiest for them to use. D. all of the above. The correct answer is most industrial control personnel are familiar with relay ladder logic diagrams and this is the easiest for them to use. The end effector of a robot. A. can be an actual tool. B. is the robot hand. C. may have a gripping action. D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The program execution time. A. must be slower than the fastest mechanical operation that is to be controlled. B. will vary depending on the language used. C. cannot be changed once the program is written. D. all of the above. The correct answer is will vary depending on the language used. One advantage of a PC in industrial control is that it A. has a reliable long life compared to relay logic. B. is very difficult for the inexperienced programmer to understand. C. is unreliable because there are no moving parts. D. all of the above. The correct answer is has a reliable long life compared to relay logic. An operating system. A is required to run a microprocessor system. B provides a structure with which to develop application programs. C is useful because standard modules can be used. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. When one must sell a project to management, the most important document he or she can produce is A method for financing the project. B. Summary of the problem. C. Project evaluation. D. Procedure for purchase. The correct answer is project evaluation. What is required to enable the PC to emulate a graphics terminal? A. Software. B. A laser printer. C. A color monitor. D. A graphics board. The correct answer is software. Which type of digitizer measures a wave traveling at the speed of sound? A. Electrostatic. B. Sonic. C. Digitizing SRIMR. D. Comparative. The correct answer is sonic. An encoder. A is used to send telegraph signals. B converts an input to a binary number. C converts a binary number to a decimal number. D can have only 4 keys. The correct answer is converts an input to a binary number. Operator interaction directly with the CRT is accomplished via A. A digitizing tablet. B. Vector scanning. C. A stylus. D. A touch terminal. The correct answer is a touch terminal. Which of the following is a graphical output device? A. Dot matrix printer. B. Plotter. C. Laser printer. D. Line printer. The correct answer is plotter. A display of a volume model that shows all of its edges is called A surface model. B. 3D model. C. Wireframe. D. Solid model. The correct answer is wireframe. A sequence controller. A is difficult to program. B is a mechanical-only controller. C is no longer in widespread use. D performs on-off control functions in relation to time. The correct answer is performs on-off control functions in relation to time. Having compatibility and commonality in and between vendors' equipment is called A. Registration. B. Standardization. C. Integration. D. Networking. The correct answer is standardization. Programmable controllers. A. Are programmed using relay ladder logic. B. Cannot perform functions other than relay logic. C. Are widely used in many different industries. D. A and C above. The correct answer is A and C above. Which of the following are kinds of instructions? A. Input. B. Arithmetic. C. Conditional branching. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above.